Okay guys, this is my first unboxing of anything, and it's gonna be on Kung Fu Hustle. Yeah, $24. What a rip! Alright, let's unbox it. Alright. Dude. Yeah, I got this movie because it's probably one of my favorite movies. Budokan, homie, Budokan. Shit. High definition. Oh shit. The security tape. Whatever. High definition. Enjoy. So yeah, that's about it. Special features. It's not a lot of special features. It just deleted scenes, behind the scene featurette, outtakes, and bloopers. I got it at Worst Buys. It's 24 bucks, bastard. But yeah, that's about it, guys. See you guys later.